Hello, my name is Jason and I'm with RW Garage Doors. Today we're going to be talking about the remotes and programming them to your opener. So first off, the Max model, it's universal. You can use this for any opener from Craftsman, Chamberlain, and LiftMaster. It has 3 buttons here, a big one and 2 smaller ones, but we're going to start by programming the big button. To do that, you're going to press this little button in the back with the visor clip that's provided. Now you will notice that the remote is lit and ready to program. And now with the red light lit, you're ready to program the remote to the opener. So by pressing the program button here, it'll stay lit to let you know that you're ready to program. Press the big button and you will hear a click from the opener. Now you're ready to use the opener. But first, press the outside button to turn the light off.